Balkrishna Saraswat, Assistant Professor in Vyani Group of Colleges in Nursing Department. Today I want to deliver a lecture on anatomy and physiology of kidney on the behalf of Guru KPO. So we will discuss about kidney. First of all, situation. The kidney is a paired organ situated in the hypochondrium epigastric region in the abdominal cavity. Why we call paired organ? Because the number of kidney in our body is 2. So we call paired organ. Kidney is the rectoperitoneal organ. The shape of the kidney is bean shaped and the weight of kidney is 150 grams. Now the measurement of the kidney is measured 10 into 6 into 3 centimeter, 10 centimeter length, 6 centimeter wide and 3 centimeter thickness. According to vertebra, we can say kidney is situated to T12 to L3. T means thoracic vertebra 12 and lumbar vertebra 3. Right kidney is situated near to the midline, then left kidney, and right kidney slightly lower than the left kidney. Now we will discuss the histology of the kidney. Here you can see the diagram. There are two parts of the kidney. Outer part is called renal cortex and inner part is renal medulla. So outer covering of the kidney is called renal capsule. In inner side there are 10 pyramids present in the kidney. In the pyramids, the papillae, renal pyramids, there are 10 pyramids, and last pyramid, papillae. In the end of pyramids, the papillae are found. 2 lobes present in the adult kidney, and fetus kidney there are 10 lobes. So we will discuss the major calyx and minor calyx. Minor calyx, this is minor calyx and this is major calyx. This is renal artery that these supply the blood to kidney, and this is renal vein. These the deoxygenated blood return from the renal vein, and renal pelvis, and last part the ureter. These are excretory organs connect the kidney to bladder, urinary bladder. Now we will discuss the covering of the kidney. There are 3 covering present in the kidney. First one is renal capsule. That next one is renal fascia. There are 2 types of fascia, anterior fascia and posterior fascia. Anterior fascia is also called Garrota fascia and posterior fascia is also called Zuckerland fascia. Next, last one is renal fat. There are 3 these covering of the kidney: renal capsule, fascia and fat. Now we will discuss the fixation of kidney. When we jumping, running, sitting, standing, the kidney are fixed on their situation. Why? Because of these factors. There are 5 factors responsible for the fixation of kidney. First one is intra-abdominal pressure. Second one is suspensory ligament. And third is psoas major muscles. Next is quadratus lumborum muscles. And last one is renal fat. These are responsible for the fixation of kidney in their situation in abdominal cavity. Now we will discuss the structure of nephron. Nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney. There are 1 million nephron present in the kidney. 1 million means 10 lakhs. These are structure of the nephron. Afferent arteriole who comes the blood in kidney and exit blood by the efferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole diameter is more than efferent arteriole. These are afferent arteriole and this is efferent arteriole. The basement membrane found in the kidney. These are responsible for filtration, and here pores are present. The size of pores is 1.8 nanometer. Next one is Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Next PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. Next loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is thick and thin. This is thick loop of Henle and this is thin loop of Henle. These are thick descending loop of Henle. This is thin descending loop of Henle, horizontal loop of Henle, and thin ascending loop of Henle and thick ascending loop of Henle. This is PCT, and last one is collecting duct. Its cells are found in the afferent arteriole. These cells are called specific endothelial cell, or we can say Purkinje's device, because it is pressure sensitive device. Purkinje's device, and in the DCT a specific cell are found. We say the sodium sensitive cell because these cells are sodium sensitive. In the Purkinje's device and macula densa, also called macula densa, sodium sensitive cell is also called macula densa. The Purkinje's device and macula densa, a connection found between these. This is called juxtaglomerulus apparatus. These are juxtaglomerulus apparatus. This is the structure of nephron. Now the renal circulation or circulation of kidney. First one, renal artery supply the blood, oxygenated blood supply by the renal artery. Renal artery divided into segmental artery. Segmental artery is divided into lower artery, and lower artery, then arcuate artery, lobular artery, then afferent arteriole. Next one is glomerulus, and next efferent arteriole. Efferent arteriole divided into peritubular artery. Next one is vasa recta, peritubular, next peritubular vein, and lobar vein, arcuate vein, lobular vein, arcuate vein, lobar vein, and segmental vein. Segmental vein finally reach in the renal vein, and renal vein takes the deoxygenated blood to the inferior vena cava. So these are renal circulation. Now we will discuss the functions of kidney. There are various functions in the of the kidney. First one is waste product excretion. This is the main function of kidney, the excretion of waste product from our body. Next one is pH maintenance. Kidney also maintain the blood pH, the acid, the urine pH is maintained by kidney. If blood pH is more, then urine is kidney makes the urine is alkaline, and pH is less than 7 decrease, then kidney makes the urine acidic. So the pH is maintained by the kidney. Next one is electrolyte balance. This is the main function of kidney, the electrolyte balance. If the electrolyte imbalance, then kidney maintain the electrolytes in our body by the excretion or reabsorption of the electrolyte. Next one is blood pressure measurement. Kidney also measure the blood pressure. I already told you that the afferent arteriole, the cells is found. These are called Purkinje's device. These are pressure measurement device. Purkinje's device the measures the blood pressure. So the kidney, the role of kidney, pressure, blood pressure measurement. Next one is erythropoietin secretion. We can say erythropoietin is the hormones that stimulate the RBC formation in the red bone marrow, but secreted by the kidney by the Purkinje's device. Purkinje's device found in the found in the afferent arteriole. If the blood supply or oxygen supply is decreased in the kidney, then Folkison's device stimulate and secrete the erythropoietin that form the blood by the help of erythropoietin. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share.